this that you are looking at is basically the hands taking away the sweet pepper seeds. Hello again everyone. So I'm sure you're wondering what this is. So I basically sowed some sweet pepper seeds yesterday, and I just made a bed, right? This is the bed I made, just to sow a few seeds, and the hands basically made their nest inside the seed bed, right? And this is exactly one of the reasons why we say that wherever you are going to set your seeds, make sure that it is free from ants, because ants will basically take away your seeds like what they are doing now. So this that you are looking at is basically the ants taking away the sweet pepper seeds, as you can see. So they literally pull them out of from underneath the soil, right, and bring them wherever they want to bring them. So here are the 3 seeds, sweet pepper seeds, and they are actively at work taking them away. Whenever you're setting your seeds, if you are going to set them in the bare soil like what you are looking at there, you need to at least sprinkle some form of ants powder, something to kind of keep away the ants, or ensure that wherever you're putting the seed bed, ensure that it is not in a close to an ant's nest, or in an ant's nest basically, because sometimes the ant's nest is so disguised that you don't even realize that it is there. So just be mindful of the ants, because then when you go there and you see that the seed is not germinating, you're wondering why. But the thing is, these ants, they don't know that unless they're going to heat them. So if they feed on them quickly, then you know that they'll basically destroy the embryo and it won't germinate. But if they wait too long and the seed kind of absorbs water while I water the seed bed, then it will germinate, unless they are going to heat down the shoot. But if they wait too long, it will germinate. But normally they basically feed on it. So just a word of caution, ensure that you use your some kind of powder like ants powder 7s or something, spray the bed or sprinkle it on the bed or something. You can do it after you sow the seeds or even before. at the end, if this video was beneficial to you, please consider subscribing. To subscribe to my channel, please click the red subscribe button and then click the bell icon beside it so that you will be notified whenever I publish a new video. Thank you.